Hi guys, Alan Jackson here, the social accountant and founder of My Tax Book. Welcome to today's video on how do I lodge my tax return. So today we're just going to cover the various options on how you can lodge your tax return. There's actually four that we'll go through. So we'll start off with the first one is that you can use a tax agent or an accountant. Now when you use a tax agent, they have electronic lodgement of your return. You have up to the 31st of March or in some cases 15th of May to lodge your return, and they generally have a 14-day turnaround on the refund. Secondly is eTax. This is the ATO's free downloadable software. Also, it's electronic lodgement of your return. Here you have to lodge by the 31st of October each year, and again there's a 14-day turnaround generally on your refund. Thirdly is TaxPack. This is the ATO's paper version of lodging your return. Now you can pick up a TaxPack at most local news agents, and again you have to lodge by the 31st of October, the same as eTax. However, it's a 7-week or 42-day turnaround for your refund, so a lot slower. It's the old snail mail. And number 4 is you can lodge your return over the phone. Now this is only if you've got simple tax affairs. Now I've attached a PDF that you can read to see whether you will qualify for this option. Not many people will, because not many people have simple tax affairs under our tax system. However, out of these 4 ways, I strongly recommend that you use an accountant. Again, in the previous video I went through there's heaps of benefits. And probably one great benefit that may not have mentioned earlier is if you use an accountant, generally if you're going to get a refund, there's no upfront cost. So whatever the fees are for your return to be prepared, one, they're tax deductible, but two, the accountant can generally take the fee out of your refund, which means you're not out of pocket, that costs you nothing up front. So I think that's just the best way to go. So again, we've got some other documents attached here below, a non-lodgement advice. So if you don't need to lodge a return, you can fill out a non-lodgement advice. And we've got an ATO guide regarding do you need to lodge a return to find out whether you need to. Now if you've been lodging in the past and you don't need to lodge one this year, you still need to fill out a non-lodgement advice. Otherwise the ATO will chase you for your return as to why you haven't. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in a video coming up shortly.